guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, hi, hello, my name is Lauren. I'm a part-time seller on the Poshmark app. You guys can always find my closet linked right down below in the description box, as well as the name right here on the screen. It's at Lolo's Boutique. Today's video is a special one because it is a collaboration video with one of my favorite people here in the Poshmark community. Her name is Sydney. I will have all of her links down below for you guys to both of her Instagrams as well as her YouTube channel. You can search on YouTube, it's just at Sydney Elle. She is amazing, you guys. If you are looking for Poshmark related advice, tips, or tricks, she is an awesome person to go to for all of these things. I've learned so much from her videos and she is so sweet. So we decided for our collab that we wanted to do thrifting hauls because she doesn't live too far away from Charlotte. I think she was supposed to come and visit here and we were gonna meet up, but I work during the daytime and she was like coming at lunchtime, so it didn't really work out that way. But we decided that it would still be fun to bring you guys two separate thrift haul videos. So she's gonna have one over on her channel that you guys should definitely go and check out. I'll have a link down below as well as just her channel in general, so you guys can go and subscribe to her as well. If you guys like seeing these types of videos and collabs with other Poshmarkers, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and let me know down below in the comments who we should collab with next. Before we hop into the fun part though, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You guys can do that by clicking that little red subscribe button right down below. And without further ado, let's jump into this haul. Now, to preface this a little bit, I went to 3 different Goodwills. My favorite Goodwill Boutique that you guys, if you watch my videos, you know I love and go to all the time. Another Goodwill that's just down the road, not too far, that I usually find pretty good stuff at, but I didn't have a lot of time there. And then I went to the Goodwill bins, or the Goodwill outlet, which I don't like going to a lot just because I don't typically find higher quality pieces, but I definitely find good filler things. And I also got some stuff kind of outside of my comfort zone to kind of play with and see how they do and maybe try them on different platforms and stuff like that. I have been going back and forth between Poshmark, Mercari, and eBay now, trying to just get things out there in all different ways to hopefully make more sales, and it has been helping. So I'm trying to kind of branch out in maybe what items I get as well. With all that said, let's start going through everything. I'm just gonna go and start at the Goodwill bin stuff. So I ended up finding actually a lot of really cute kids clothing at the bins that looked pretty brand new. So some of the things I found, this was a really cute little denim jacket. It's a medium 7/8, obviously in kid size, from Cat and Jack, which I know is a really nice mall brand. It's just got some really cute little patches on it as well. One that says Dreamer. This has got a little pineapple sunglasses, some cactus, and then up here it's got like an 8 and some cherries. Just a really cute little trendy jacket for a little girl. I thought that was adorable and someone would love that. Found this Carter's, I guess this is a dress. It's got like gray, kind of almost like a sweatshirt design, but it's actually just a t-shirt with pink and blue florals, and then it's got a little pinstripe blue ruffle skirt bottom, and it's got kind of a drawstring which gives it that sweatshirt look. This is a Carter's size 7, so those will be really cute together. I found a little boys or girls, I guess. It says Swim, Bubbles, S'mores, Campfires, Beach, and fireflies. Okay, I was like, I thought that said fireflies, and I was like, what is this? And this is a 5T. This is actually brand new with tags. So it's still got the tag on it, which is really nice. And this is also from Cat and Jack. This is what their label looks like, or if you're looking for kids, it looks like that. Someone asked that I show you guys the tags a little more close up, so there's that. I also found this shirt, which I thought was really cute. Again, also by Carter's. This one's a 2T. It's just a dark gray little t-shirt with kind of a space pattern. It's got stars and planets. And again, this is Carter's, which looks like that. And another piece I found was a little girl's dress. It's kind of a blue little chambray, really pretty, kind of embroidery on the top, ruffle sleeves, and then it's just blue, but then it does have a little wrap around tie as well. I thought this is just stinking adorable. So looks like these were literally worn once or never worn. And then it's a 4T. All right, and I think I had one more kids item, but it may be at the bottom of the bag, is a pair of shorts. These are actually from Target, but I grabbed them because they were new with tags. It's this really pretty kind of linen-y blue material, and these are a size 14 with a 5-inch seam. And this is by the brand A New Day. So if you're not familiar with that, it looks like this. and it did come with the tags still. And yeah, so I grabbed these as well. I don't know, I thought they would be a quick flip because Goodwill outlet prices are so cheap. It makes them a lot easier to flip them for a low price because people are still looking for good deals. And that was a suggestion that I heard, I want to say from Sydney herself on her channel, about making sure to keep up your sales in Q1 since not a lot of people are going to be shopping right after Christmas. Next piece is also an adult piece. This is by American Eagle. Again, one of those brands that's like, I probably wouldn't always pick it up when I go regular thrifting, but when I find a cute piece and you know I get it for this cheap, then I can kind of afford to buy that and then flip it for a lower price. So it's a really cute little sweatshirt. It's a really cute little sweatshirt dress. So it's got rolled up sleeves. It's this really pretty blue color, a really wide neck, and then it's got the sweatshirt pocket, and that's got a really cute just little tulle bottom ruffle. This was also a size small, and this is what the tag looks like. So again, thought that was a good piece. Oh, here's the other kid's piece I got. I freaking love this, and if I had a child, this would be on him or her. It's just a little child's Def Leppard shirt, and it looks all acid wash, and it's just really cool. I think it's awesome, and some super trendy parents would put this on their kid, but this is just by Live Nation Merchandise, and it's a size small. Look at the shirt, Clay. Next up, I actually found kind of in the same bin a group of men's Under Armour t-shirts, so just like cotton t-shirts, and they were all a size large. I think I gave 1 or 2 to Clay because he wears size large shirts, and they were really nice condition. So this is one that he did not want. It's got the little Under Armour logo on the front, kind of where a pocket would be, and then it's got the American flag on the sleeve, and then the back looks like this. It's just got Freedom Wounded Warrior Project. So thought that was really cool. It's red, and then there is a blue one, which is just plain blue with a darker blue logo, and nothing on the back of this one. And these are what Under Armour look like, in case you are curious. Next piece, I love how this looks, and this is a brand that always gets me because I will be like thrifting and I see it all the time because it's really cute trendy pieces, but I know it's just a brand sold at, I'm pretty sure, H&M. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's from the brand New Directions Weekend, and their tags look like this. I always find super trendy pieces in this, but that's kind of why I got this top, because I thought it was really cute. It is a pink and white kind of heathered style, or maybe like burnout. I'm not quite sure how to describe that. This is a size 1X, so it's also plus size, which is good because that does really well on Poshmark. And it's just kind of a flowy boho top. Basically, it just kind of cinches you in at your smallest area and then flows out, so it's really flattering. It's also super soft and comfy, so I think it'll be a great kind of elevated basic, as Little Black Hanger would say. Next is a piece called Bombo. I think this is Bobo. I have no idea how you actually say this, but I know this is a brand sold at Nordstrom sometimes, and this is a size medium cardigan, and I just thought it was cute. It's like this oatmeal colored sweater cardigan. It's got long sleeves, and it's mostly just drapey. As you can see, it's got kind of the draped front, but it does have a small button detail. Actually, the button's quite large. It's not really small, but the button is wooden, so it kind of adds a little fun detail, as you can see, to the front. It kind of cinches it in. I think this is just really cute, kind of flowy, fun fall and winter piece. Next is a sweater from Hollister. Again, this is one of those brands that's like, I usually avoid when I'm picking up at a regular Goodwill because I don't want to pay $4 or $5, you know, for this type of sweater. But when I'm at the Goodwill bins and I see it, it's kind of a different story since the cost of goods is so much lower. This is a size extra small, and the tag looks like this, and it's just a burgundy sweater, long sleeves with white stripes on it. Nothing crazy, but it does have little tiny slits on the side, which is kind of cute. Just a very fun, simple winter basic. It does look like, since it's an extra small, that maybe an oversized type of fit, which is kind of cute. And then down at the bottom, it has a little metal Hollister brand little logo. Lastly, from the bins is a top, again from Target, but I thought it was really cute. And, you know, I don't know, sometimes people look for style and just good deals, so I still grabbed it anyways. It is from the line Knox Rose in an extra small. I would say this would even fit a small or a medium, but it's this really pretty kind of linen-y stripes. Got blue and green and pink and some nudes and creams. And then it's just got a little ruffle kind of tiered detailing. It's just flowy, fun. Like this could be cute with skinny jeans and a cardigan in the wintertime, or even just shorts and whatever in the summer. And then the hem looks like that. Now, on to the regular Goodwill. Let's go in and see what we got here. This was the one, here's Charlie. This is the one that I did not have a ton of time to shop in, but still found a couple of good things. The first I'm actually really excited for because I think it'll do well. It's this pleather asymmetrical hemmed skirt, and it's like a nude fabric, kind of. It's not like shiny or anything, but like it just kind of looks like that. But it's got the ruched band, so it's like stretchy and elastic. And this is actually by Topshop, which I'm really excited about, and it's a size 8. And these are super trendy right now. This like style of skirt, like honestly, I would wear this out with some really cute thigh-high black boots and like a fun bodysuit tucked in, or like a cute flowy blouse. I think that would be adorable. Next, this was an interesting piece that I picked up simply because I liked the style of it, and I thought this would be a fun piece to see how it would do. It is a velvet type of blazer coat. So it does have this really pretty buttoned back, I guess collar, but it goes all the way down, so I don't know that it's even a collar. It does have one up here, but it's this dark purple type of velvet, like crushed velvet. Like, I don't know, it just looks so cute. The sleeves are like this. They have cute little gold buttons on them. It's by the brand Central Park West, and it's a size small. It is rayon and silk. So it is a silk blend, but the back is just simple, looks like that. I thought this would be a really fun piece. I don't know, this could be really cute on like New Year's Eve, or even like dressed up at work when you just want like a little something extra and look a little nicer. This next piece is from Vince Camuto, and the tag looks like this. It's a size medium. A little keyhole detailing with a little gold button at the top that just says Vince Camuto on it. And it's just a really pretty blouse, you guys. This is the front. It's got the draped kind of opening, so it can be a little bit more revealing depending on what kind of look you're going for, but it folds over, kind of has that extra look. And then it's got these big billowy open sleeves. I just think this is gorgeous. It's got fun kind of pink, blue, and black, almost floral pattern on it. I think this is just a beautiful blouse. Also, obviously none of these items are steamed or washed or anything, so they're wrinkly, that's why. This is from BCBG Generation, and it's a size medium. Tag looks like that. And this is just a plaid button-down shirt. It's got that same front that the last top had, where it kind of looks like it has that tucked in effect, where it kind of rolls up under, so it's got like a high-low style. And it's just a really pretty kind of dark red and maroon and navy colors. I think it's really fun for winter. Just love this. Just a great piece. Just a great piece. Moving on to my last stop, I went to the Goodwill Boutique. You guys know this is my one true love. I always find the best stuff there. And this time actually was one of the few exceptions where I did not find a ton of stuff. I've been trying to lower my cost of goods in anticipation for the beginning of the new year and after the holidays, because I know this time right now, like a lot of people are not seeing sales on Poshmark because people don't want to buy used items right before the holidays when they're buying gifts and stuff. But hopefully it will pick back up kind of towards the mid to end of January, hoping. But it's all kind of up in the air. I don't know. This will be my first year kind of going through Q1 because I started just here in Q4, which is really fun and interesting. So talking about, this totally went off subject from what I was saying. Normally I find really good stuff here, like Free People, and I'll find a lot of Anthropologie, and I found like Vineyard Vines and Lily Pulitzer, and I always find my Lululemons here. Like anytime I found Lululemon, it is from this boutique. It's awesome. They have great stuff. But today, I was going for things that were a lower cost of good because I'm just trying to lower that price a lot and get more items in my closet. So the first is this really pretty boho blouse. Again, you guys can tell like I love this style. It's tank top. It's from American Eagle, and it is a size small. Tag looks like that. And I just loved the pattern of this. I thought it was really boho, cute, ruffly, kind of loose baby doll style top that someone would love. Next is this top, which is plus size. It is a 2XL, and it's by the brand Liberty Love, as you guys can see here. And I thought this was cute, and I picked it up because it's plus size, and plus size does really well. It's a beautiful blouse. It's kind of this dark nude blush color with a floral design on it, mostly blacks and purples and turquoises. And then the sleeves are adorable. They kind of bell out, and then they have these ties that can kind of cinch them up a little bit more. And then the back does have this little keyhole with a little button at the top. I just thought this was a really pretty blouse that someone would love. And I feel like it's hard to find really cute plus size pieces, so whenever I do, I love to pick them up for other people too. This is a really cute dress that I found that honestly I did not know the brand, but again I picked up because you guys know I like doing that every now and then. And this is from the brand Peach Love California. It just looked like a boutique brand, but it's got really cute off the shoulder, like stretchy cinched ruffles with a pretty blue and white striped pattern, and it's just a simple dress. I think this is just adorable, and I don't even know what size this is, but I'm gonna have to look. It's a size small. So of course I got this simply because of style. I thought this was adorable, and I think someone would really like that as well. My last and final item is an Anthropologie piece. My voice just cracked there. And it is by the brand Moth, which is again solely Anthropologie. It's a size small. This is so stinking adorable. I love it. And it's this dark red, kind of purpley sweater, colored sweater. It is a long sleeve, and it's knit, kind of like a cable knit design, but then it does have this kind of layer attached to it that makes it look like it's layered with another blouse, but it's just attached to it. So it's got a blouse kind of sticking out the bottom, giving it kind of a little fun added touch. This is the back. Very cute, very nice material, very soft. Love it. Alrighty guys, that is going to bring us to the end of this haul. I really hope that you all enjoyed kind of seeing what I picked up on my last thrifting adventure. I will have an entire thrifting vlog very soon showcasing all of this stuff while I was shopping for it. So make sure to look out for that video on my channel next. Also guys, don't forget to go and check out Sydney's video. Again, I'll always have a link down below for you guys so you can go and check it out and go and give her a subscribe. She's awesome and you can learn so much from her. Lastly, if you guys saw anything in this video that you are interested in, please feel free to comment your closet name down below and I will tag you in the listing when it's up. Or if you have a particular piece, I can get it up ASAP for you. Just let me know what you're interested in. I do accept offers, so make sure to send one. If I haven't posted already, you guys can do that. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You guys can do that by clicking the little red subscribe button right down below. And without further ado guys, that's going to bring us to the end. I hope you all, I literally almost made it to the end of this video without Charlie barking. Alrighty guys, that brings us to the end. I really hope you all enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!